everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Manj, and for today's video we're going to talk about Caldera Crusade Quest 7. So nag-end na yung Quest 6 guys, so every 4 days lang per quest, and then after this one, last one na lang, matatapos na yung pa-quest nila guys, or pa-campaign nila, but we don't know kung magkakaroon pa sila ng bonus or another campaign dito kay Galax, but we never know. So ngayon, check natin kung ano bang mga tasks for the Quest 7, kaya huwag kayo mag-escape. Stay tuned at the end of this video para wala kayo ma-miss na important details. But before we jump into it, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and ring that notification bell so you'll always be updated to my upcoming videos and off-the-clock episodes. So, 4 days lang to guys, kaya make sure na matapos ka siya as soon as possible. Okay, so here, may requirements siya. As you can see, kailangan nyo either or any naman dyan, kung mayroon kang Ethereum transaction, at least 10 sa Ethereum, or passport holder kayo, or na-meet nyo yung requirements for Web3 Score Humanity Score. Diba? Kadalasan ka level 2. Makakapag level 2 ka lang naman if you have passport holder ka and nakapag-mint ka. So I recommend na magpa-passport holder ka and mag-mint ka dito kay Galax, kasi malaking bagay yan, kasi most time, hindi naman lahat, most of the good projects here may requirements na ganyan, diba? So sayang naman, diba? At least kung makakuha kayo, maka-join kayo sa may mga requirements na malaking advantage yun, diba? Possible pa kayo maging eligible for that particular project. Here, madali lang naman yung mga quest or tasks nga, which is visit, like, at least walang masyadong retweet ngayon or quote, diba? At least konti lang yung kailangan natin. I think siguro na sa quest 1 to quest 4 yan, which is hindi ko nagawa dahil late ko nang nakita to si Caldera, which is isa to sa mga promising na inaabangan din ng mga airdroppers out there. So sayang naman. So let's claim the oath and the points guys. So medyo ewan ko nagkaka-problem sa akin dahil siguro paminsan is magkaka-error pagkakalabas lang yan kasi as of now. So yesterday, so 13, so I don't know bakit meron nagkaka-error ako as of the moment, but we will see later. I-check ko ulit. Pero kung ganyan, kapag within 24 hours is still ganun pa rin siya, I recommend na contact the customer service and report the issue para at least maayos nila kagad, diba? So join na kayo dito kay Caldera Crusade, build the future. So sayang naman, diba? Kung kunyari may 10 transaction na kayo sa Ethereum, actually dyan medyo tricky kasi sa 10 transaction. Kung everyday naman kayo nagka-transact kay Ethereum, okay lang na hindi kayo ka-passport or mag-mint. Pero kung hindi naman, I recommend na yun na nga yung gawin nyo, as I've said, diba? So yung mga ganito kasi is parang titignan nila siguro, diba, na at least yun malaking advantage na talagang legit user ka ni Galax, or talagang for the CBL as well, diba? Kasi kapag may KYC kasi, especially for the passport. So, kaya ngayon ginagaya na nila na ni-require nila na meron ganun. So, join na kayo guys. 4 days lang siya. So, until next time, goodbye!